He's got to run uphill. He's running downhill.
Yeah, a little bit, yeah. Well, it's kind of both up because this is still a slant.
All right, make sure you don't touch the screen. Campbell, that means you.
What's that?
Wallace, Campbell.
A military camp over there or something? Uh-huh.
He was trying to pull him over so they could kill him.
Yeah, he would. You see him, Greg? You see him? Here he goes. No, no.
Hey, guys.
Whoa, face shot. Hold, hold. Hold. Yeah, he got it.